Be di hwn? Gigi!
Are you learning Welsh? And would you like to talk in Welsh with your baby? Mudiad Meithrin and the National Centre for Learning Welsh have been collecting examples of the special Welsh language words adults use when they siarad Babi, or talk to their babies. How many of us would ask our friends if they wanted to go beddy buys, or isie mynd bays, make funny faces, or use in a sing-song voice as part of the conversation?
The formal name for this type of speech is parentese, and yes, it is a methodology recognised and acknowledged all over the world. The gestures, tempo and specific intonation help to hold a child's attention as you talk to them. Together, the special vocabulary, changes in our tone of voice and the use of facial expressions contribute to our children's language development.
This project, the first of its kind in Welsh, has been an opportunity for us to gather examples of Welsh language baby words used throughout Wales and beyond. The vocabulary is very simple, the natural words we use at home. We use gestures when introducing a word and also vary our tone of voice. We're looking forward to sharing this special vocabulary with learners to use it with their children. It will also be useful for the early years education and childcare sector.
With thanks to Welsh-speaking families across Wales, at the start of 2022, we collected over 750 words. After grouping them into themes, we set about deciding on the 20 words to be used in the resources. Finally agreeing on a selection of the most common words which form a part of the everyday lives of our youngest children.
Language use in the home is established early on in a child's life, and the Welsh Baby Talk project, or Siarad Babi, is an important part of this. The language used by new parents when speaking to their baby is often based on instinct or what feels right to them. It's important, therefore, to give confidence to parents who want to speak Welsh with their babies and who see a new baby in the family as an opportunity to learn Welsh or to restart using their Welsh.
Baby Talk, or Siarad Babi, is just another piece of the early language jigsaw. These early chats play an important part in a child's language development. The words may vary from region to region and from family to family, but when we slow down the tempo of our speech, or speak in a higher tone than usual, we are naturally encouraging the young child to take part in a conversation, even before they have begun to talk.
There is no right way to talk with babies, as hearing language of any kind is important to children's language development. Hearing Welsh at a young age, the child will learn about the use of the language, and it must be remembered that the way we speak and use language with children is very different to how we use it with adults.
Mudiad Meithrin and the National Centre for Learning Welsh will share the vocabulary with families, online and in Cymraeg for kids groups Cylchoedd TFE and Club Cwtch sessions. The Siarad Babi resources aim to help learners and those who were not raised in a Welsh-speaking home to be confident using baby talk in Welsh with their children. Ta-ta, and enjoy talking baby with the youngest members of your family.